I have this St. Patrick's gnome, and I'm going to start by dismantling him. It's an unfinished cutout that you can get at chalkitupfancy.com. The first platform I'm going to do in Charleston green, and then I'm going to go in just a little bit of Snow Owl to lighten the tone just a tad. Then I'm going to go to the second layer, and I'm going to start painting his hat. I'm going to do Joshua Tree, every other stripe, and then Snow Owl. Then I'm going to do the shamrocks and Joshua Tree. This is the one that he's going to be holding in his hand. I painted the center one, but it really was not necessary because I have another one that's going to layer on top of that. And this is the one. I'm going to do this in Joshua Tree and then add a little bit of Charleston green. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the smaller shamrock. The rim of his hat I'm going to do in Charleston green. His mustache and his beard I'm going to do in Mandarina. Then I'm going to mix Snow Owl with a little bit of Republic Red and create this pink tone, and this is going to be for his nose and his hands. I'm going to do his shoes in black, another portion of his hat in black, and the base in black. Then the buckle in goldenrod. All these colors are from chalkitupfancy.com. This is Wise Owl Chalk Synthesis paint. I'm now going to glue him together piece by piece until I have him all back in order. Midway, I decided to spray all my pieces with a top coat and then continue gluing. You're going to want these spacers for his hands that are holding the shamrocks. And then add him to a stand. Then add his shoes. I'm going to add my dots. This is going to represent highlights. I place them randomly here and there. I'm going to do a line on his nose and then on his shoes. Then I'm going to splatter him with some paint using a toothbrush, using some Snow Owl, and then give him another final top coat. This was a fun project, and thank you so much for watching. And remember, chalkitupfancy.com.